Does everyone in your family know what to do if they suspect a gas leak? Propane's distinctively unpleasant smell is just one of the safety features of your home's propane system. Gas leaks can be dangerous, and your nose can help you identify them. Propane has an added odorant that smells like rotten eggs, a skunk spray, or a dead animal. If you smell a leak, take these steps. First, have everyone get outside and move away from the house. But remember to put out all smoking materials and other open flames, and do not operate lights, appliances, telephones, or cell phones, as those could create a spark or ignition source. Next, turn off the main gas supply valve on your propane tank, but only if it's safe to do so. To close the valve, turn to the right or clockwise. If you have more than one tank, turn them all off. Then, call your propane retailer or 911 right away from a neighbor's house or another safe area. Do not return to your home or the affected area until your propane retailer, an emergency responder, or another qualified professional says it's safe. Finally, for peace of mind, before using any of your propane appliances, get your system tested by your propane retailer or other qualified professional. An inspection will help ensure that your propane system will continue to run safely and efficiently. As always, if you have questions about propane for your home, get in touch with your propane retailer.